Hello and happy teaching. Checking the box can be very, very helpful when it comes to getting stuff done, workflow for yourself or with your students. And Google Sheets now has a nice, easy feature available for putting checkboxes into a spreadsheet. You can use this with your students if you want to create a checklist along the way for a project, or if you're using a rubric and you want to plop a rubric inside of Google Sheets and then use the checkboxes to mark where each student performed on that rubric. It's really, really simple to put in. Let me show you. Check this out. When you're in a Google Sheet like this, all you have to do is set it up with a column or a row or wherever you want to put the checkboxes. Make sure that column or row is available to enter checkboxes in. Then you just highlight where you want those checkboxes, go up to Insert, and choose Checkbox. Once you do that, you'll see that that appears. It's pretty easy to check, uncheck. You can also highlight and then copy paste into the other areas where you want those checkboxes. Like I said, you don't have to use this for a rubric. You can use it for student progress in a long-term project, or you can just use it for yourself as a to-do list or a shared to-do list on a team that you're working on. Whatever it might be, these checkboxes are a really nice new feature. Hope you can get some use out of them.